fine and safe at home. Today we are going to start our grammar topic. Topic is determiners. It's the first topic in your book. We are going to start determiners. So before starting the topic, we should know what is a determiner. A word that determines or point out a noun is called determiner. Means a word that points out a noun, not qualifies. It only points out a noun, that is called determiner. So there is a little bit confusion between adjective and determiner. So I am going to clear the confusion. Adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that qualifies a noun. For example, beautiful girl means how is the girl? Girl is beautiful. It's an adjective. Next is determiner. A determiner is a word that points out a noun, not qualifies it. It means, for example, some boys. How many boys? Some boys. The boy. The boy means it's a particular boy. We are talking about a particular boy. Means determiner only points out a noun, not qualifies. Adjectives qualify a noun. So I hope you have understood the difference between adjective and a determiner. Now we are going to do the types of determiners. Types of determiners. So we are having 8 types of determiners. First one is articles. Articles a and the. Next is demonstrative, that is this, that, these, those. Third is possessive, my, our, your, his, her, but not hers, yours. They are pronouns, so we can't count them in possessive determiners. Fourth is distributive determiners, that is either, neither, each and every. Fifth part is quantifiers. Quantifiers, some, any, much, many, several, little and few. Sixth is number. Means there are cardinal and ordinal, both numbers are counted in numbers. For example, 2, 3, first, fourth, whatever. Seventh is predeterminers, that are all, both, such, so and just. And the last, not the least, interrogative, that is what, which and whose. Today we will discuss only the first part of determiner, that is articles. Articles. We have read about articles from first class. So today we are going to start the first part of determiner, that is article. So a and the are called articles. So types of articles, we are having 2 types of article. First one is indefinite or second one is definite article. Indefinite article, they are called indefinite because they never define a particular person or a particular thing. That's why they are called indefinite articles. The second part is definite articles, that's the uses of indefinite articles. A and an both are called indefinite articles and they are used with only singular and countable nouns because they are having the same meaning, that means one. Means they define only one person or one thing. That's why, and they never define a particular person or a particular thing. That's why they are called indefinite articles. So we are going to discuss the uses of a and an. Indefinite articles, that are a and an. So both are having the same meaning, one. But there is a difference when we use it. A is used with singular countable noun but with a consonant sound only. Means the noun should be started with a consonant sound. For example, a one-eyed man means O is a vowel, but it's sounding like a consonant. That's why we are using A here. A university. Its U is a vowel, but it's sounding as a consonant letter. A year, it's called year, not ear. Next is an. An is used with, it's also used with singular countable nouns, but with a vowel sound only. Means the sound of a noun should be started with a vowel. For example, an honest. H is a consonant, but it's sounding with a vowel. For example, an orange, an apple, etc. And there are so many examples like that. So, in next part, we will discuss about the second part of the articles, that is the. So, now please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel